I'm very scared of crocodiles. Like I fantasize, not fantasize, but I imagine crocodiles coming at me even in a swimming pool. Actually, what I really spend a lot of time on is Pinterest. Like my Pinterest is filled with boards of like different things, and I'm just like obsessed. I would like to really change the way our working hours are. I would strictly make it a 12-hour shift.
A question that you hate answering while giving interviews.
मैम अपनी लाइफ के बारे में कुछ बताइए. आपका बैकग्राउंड क्या है? आप कहाँ से आई हैं? कैसे? How did acting happen to you? Is Game of Thrones allowed to be a TV show?
Yeah, of course.
Game of Thrones, anytime. I love it.
Do you like how it ended? A lot of people had a lot of issue with that. Okay, I have a small segment I want to do with you, which is called Quick 10 with Kirti Kulhari.
Okay.
These are just very...
I love your nail color, by the way. It's gorgeous. It's I'm currently crushing on this color, by the way. This lavender light purple. Yeah.
I love this shade. It's just so subtle.
Yeah.
Something about
it. It's beautiful. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so Quick 10 is basically for your fans to get to know you a little better. Very basic random questions that I've picked up just so that we can also get to know you a little better. Okay, so let's start. The first one is, what is the best thing about being an actor?
I get to live all my fantasies out. All of them.
Agreed. Okay. And what is the worst thing about being an actor? Or something that you don't like?
The day there are days that you just don't feel what you're supposed to. There are days that what I feel as Kirti Kulhari is completely opposite to what I'm supposed to feel as my character.
Yeah.
And those days are really, really tough. Like you just feel like dying because you don't know how to not feel what you're feeling as Kirti and then go and do, what you're supposed to. So yeah.
Okay. Your all-time favorite cuisine?
I love South Indian, especially Andhra food.
Same. Okay. An Instagram account that you like to stalk?
That I like to stalk. I enjoy a few of these people's accounts a lot. There's Kalki. There's I like Sobita's account. I like who else?
It could also be genres of things, like maybe there are people who really enjoy travel kind of accounts that follow travel diaries and stuff like that.
So I have like Earthquakes and I have Nat Geos and all of these. I mean, I follow them anyway. There's BBC and there's Nat Geo and there is other stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, I actually, what I really spend a lot of time on is Pinterest. Like my Pinterest is filled with boards of like different things and I'm just like obsessed.
It is like that. Okay, your all-time favorite movie? Can you pick one?
Shawshank Redemption.
Wow.
And Cinderella Man.
A lot of people are actually like, I can't really pick one, but I like how quick you are with with that one.
It just came to me. I mean, there are hundreds of movies that I love, but yeah, these two just came. Yeah.
Do you have a favorite TV show?
Is Game of Thrones allowed to be a TV show?
Yeah, of course.
Game of Thrones, anytime. I love it.
Do you like how it ended? A lot of people had a lot of issue with that.
Honestly, like, I don't really give a shit about it so much because in the sense that, come on, guys, like, give them a break as well. Like, they have shown you so much and then, like, they are going on, and they have to end it in some way. And also because they showed you everything, and after that, I'm sorry that they couldn't live up to our expectations, because but you know what, I'm sure they were more worried about it than we were, because I'm sure they tried everything, and then that's when they arrived at it, and I'm fine with it. I'm fine. The journey was so amazing that I didn't really care about the end.
Yeah, agreed. Okay, a question that you hate answering while giving interviews.
मैम अपनी लाइफ के बारे में कुछ बताइए. आपका बैकग्राउंड क्या है, आप कहाँ से आई हैं, कैसे, हाउ डिड एक्टिंग हैपन टू यू, आपके स्ट्रगल्स क्या थे, like the same questions, man, and I'm like, oh god. Okay. I think any question related to like me, I think I just don't want to talk about myself. But yeah, this is one thing that gets me like, guys, move on. Yeah.
Okay, putting it out there. Okay, if you could meet a person from the past, somebody who's no more with us, maybe somebody from history and stuff like that, who would it be?
I think Gayatri Devi, Maharani Gayatri Devi.
Okay. If you could change something about the industry, the Hindi film industry, is there anything that you would want to change? What would it be?
I would, what could I change? I would like to really change the way our working hours are. I would strictly make it a 12-hour shift, and make sure it's just 12 hours and not a minute beyond that for everybody, including everything,
Okay, lastly, one thing that no one knows about you, or rather a lesser known fact about you, if you would want to say anything.
I'm very scared of crocodiles. Like I fantasize, not fantasize, but I imagine crocodiles coming at me even in a swimming pool. So yeah, I'm that scared of crocodiles. Yeah, I can see them everywhere.